Hi guys, welcome back to Youth Self India. It's me Harsh. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you one gadget and how it works. So guys, let's go to the video. Before going on to the video, please like, subscribe, share and bell icon. So guys, I think you will enjoy this video. Let's go on to the video. So guys, this is a cordless phone, Gigaset. You may or may not know this. This is Gigaset A22. You can look. It's a cordless phone. It's a new version of the land phone. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the features and for what this phone is used. So guys, let's go on to the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to connect this. This is a plug. You should connect this plug to this device and this to the circuit here to the board, and we should charge this. So guys, it have many features, so we should connect the link here. So this is connected. So we are going to on the switch off. You can look. There are a lot of features to this phone. It's a cordless phone. You can take it anywhere. When the call is ranked in land phone, we connect this to the land phone. So guys, I'm going to show you in which type of device this and the land phone is connected together. So guys, this is the device which we are using to connect the land phone and this device together. You can look. So guys, I think you understand what is cordless phone and what is the features of that. Next, we are going to go on to the features of the cordless phone's keys. The keys which are present in this phone. So guys, let's go on. So I will say the features of the key one by one and the note which you want, also the warnings what you want for using this cordless phone. Let's go on. First one, the handset at a glance. Charge status of the battery, which is shown in the monitor. Answering key icon. Display keys. End call key and on off key. Talk key, hand free key mode. Control keys. Directory key. Key 1. Open the answering machine. It's used to. Star key. Key 0 or recall key. Considerable code. Press and hold for using that. Hash key, and there is a microphone in the device. So guys, I think you can understand what are included in this device. So guys, next I am going to tell you about the things you should not do while using this phone and some notes you should do or do not do when you are using this Gigaset cordless phone. So guys, let's go on. First, never expose the telephone to the influence of heat sources, direct sunlight or other electrical devices. Protect your Gigaset from moisture, dust, corrosive liquids and vapors. So guys, next I am going to show you or tell you some notes. The main adapter must always be connected as the phone will not operate without main connection. Use only the main adapter and phone cord supplied. Pin connections of telephone cables can vary. The answering machine is ready for use approx 30 seconds after the base has been corrected. How to connect the base station? First, connect the main adapter, then connect the telephone jack and Insert the cables into the cable ducts. Next, warning. Use only the rechargeable batteries recommended by Jagaset Communications. Either never use conventional non-rechargeable batteries, as this could result in significant health risk and personal injury. For example, the batteries could explode, the phone could also manipulate or be damaged as a result of using batteries that are not of recommended type. If you have purchased the cordless, for more information, you can go on to the manual book.
So guys, I think this video is useful for you. So please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So guys, we will come with new videos because of coronavirus. Shooting is not so good. So see you in next video. Till then, thanks for watching.